The back end of the scooter will get the same treatment as the front. We'll start with Malossi RS24 shocks. The stock brakes will get a Malossi whoop disc rotor and Malossi brake pad upgrade. Again, I think suspension and brakes are some of the best upgrades you can do to a modern Vespa. It's always what I do first. I'm not usually a fan of aftermarket exhausts. I tend to leave the stock exhausts on. I like them because they're quiet. An exhaust that is too loud can be annoying 10 hours into a very grueling day. That said, when I got Rolf, he already had a Malossi exhaust. And it wasn't too loud, so I decided to reuse it. The back carbon fiber cone was cracked, but Scooter Parts Co. was able to get me replacement parts to make it as good as new. One of the benefits of running with the Malossi exhaust for Cannonball is that it's an easy on, easy off for on-road maintenance and doesn't need the terrible Piaggio exhaust bushings. That's it. Most of the mechanicals are done and it's time to give it a test start. Okay, here we go. Here's the first start of the new engine rebuild. Sounds good.